Today we will be testing the range detector indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the range detector indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 57 different strategies, with 14 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 756 indicators, with 304 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 13 of the winning indicators. 7 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the range detector indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so basically what we have is these lines here above and below the price action. We also have a coloration of the bars there to kind of give us a good visual idea of when we are in a kind of short period versus a long period. But more importantly, we have these tags right here. And so for example, here is a red S tag right there. And that red S tag right there obviously is a short signal. And so when we pick up a red S tag like this, we are going to go short. And then on the reverse side, when we pick up a green L tag, I don't see one right offhand, but we get a green L tag just like the red S tag here, and that will be a signal to then go long. And so that's what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that right here. Let's go ahead and see where this got us here. Let's see, 70 pip take profit. Hasn't hit our take profit, and don't know if it's hit our stop at this point. Yep, and so this one does pushes down just a little bit, but then it rebounds right back up there, and that one does stop us out, unfortunately. Let's see. Yep, let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then the next signal that we picked up was a short signal right here. Got a little bit of a pullback right there, correction in the market before it then rolls over and pushes its way down rather nicely there. All right, before we count these out, be pretty simple count on this one. I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Patreon only channel here on our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here, and this is our Patreon only channel where we post some really great advanced information for our patrons to take advantage of. This is Sasquatch here. He's one of our members. He's an amazing Forex prop trader, pretty much posting every single day that the market is open, where he's putting up charts of areas of support and resistance, areas of interest that he's marked up, and even sometimes where he's looking to take trades, take profit, entry, exit, the whole deal. A lot of great stuff that Sasquatch puts up there for everybody to take advantage of. Our admin Jay is posting charts similar to this of the futures market. And again, a lot of great information there. Support and resistance, areas of interest where he's looking to take trades, and so on. Myself, I am working on a small account type challenge, posting that every single day here in the near future. I might resume posting some real-time trades as I'm taking them. And so again, there's just a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel and joining us here. If you're looking to excel your trading knowledge, take the next step in your trading journey, then I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so this was pretty simple to count out. Here we had only the 2 trades within the 1 year's time. We had 1 winner, and so obviously that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. The biggest issue, I suppose, is that this indicator obviously doesn't give us very many trades within the 1 year's time. Maybe on a lower time frame, this wouldn't be too bad. So I suggest maybe throwing it on a chart, lower time frame, playing around with it some and see if it does better when you lower the time frame on this. And then it might give you a better idea of the accuracy of it. 2 trades obviously isn't that significant when it comes to understanding what this is able to do over a reasonable number of trades. And so I wish it gave us a little bit more trades. I wish it definitely gave us a little bit better idea of what it was able to achieve, because honestly, often I get people that ask me about range indicators, something that can identify ranging markets to help them kind of avoid those areas and only catch the trending market. And so a word of advice on that is what you might find easier is if you are able to set up a strategy that has the ability to operate efficiently in a trending market as well as a ranging market. And so that is something that can be extremely beneficial. Don't allow the market to necessarily dictate whether or not you should whether or not your strategy is efficient or not. You should be able to catch quick trades in a ranging market, but then maybe longer trades in a trending market, or just significant trades, just kind of base hit trades, regardless of what the market is doing. So, all right, that's my 2 cents. I'm going to cut it here. This one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here.